Also, in the meantime, Rivian, looking for some efficiency over there. They lay off a couple people, lay off 6% of the employees. They still want to ramp the production. I still want to get one of these. I like these things. And I look at this picture. I actually kind of like the SUV.
Okay.
I don't know why. I like them both, but whatever. They're laying off 6% of their 14,000 employees. So it's still a lot of people, 800 people. Man, you got a decent company, a decent sized company. You lay off 6%, and it's 800 people. Scaled up. A spokesperson for the company confirmed in an email the company made the decision in part to speed up development on future versions of its electric trucks. Speed up. We need to get rid of these people so we can speed things up.
Does it say which department?
Today, we announced a difficult decision to reduce the size of the Rivian team by approximately 6%. The decision will help align our workforce to our key business priorities, including ramping up the consumer and commercial vehicle programs, accelerating the development of R2 and other future models, deploying our go-to-market programs, and optimizing spend across the business.
So maybe sales?
I would say this is mostly about optimizing spend across the business. That by freeing up those 800 salaries, they can maybe pay the right people more to do more, or possibly
Have them stay.
Keep the talent that was being highly sought after, or possibly will go out and hire a smaller number of people with a greater expertise in a particular category. Just rearrange things, but it seems like a cost thing to me. Or how about this, Will, to invest in other aspects of technology or automation or so on and so forth, or contract-based software workers. Well, I'm just giving you the variety, the various things here. Running a business. So many strategizing, plus economy, plus inflation, plus recession. I didn't say it. Did I tell you about when I was going through the drive-thru at Tim Hortons?
What's that? That coffee like $10 or something?
The guy stared me straight in the face, handed the coffee, and said, "Recession is coming."
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Serious face?
Serious face. He said, "Recession is coming." He said, "Save your money."
Wow. That's deep.
I was like, what is it? Am I in a Netflix series right now? What's going on here? Is this Black Mirror? Is this Stranger Things? What is this? Yeah. I didn't even have a reply. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
I don't know, man. How do you reply to that?
Just take the drink and just bounce.
Good Lord, man. I wasn't ready for it. I really wasn't ready for it in the moment.
No.
It was almost like he told me I shouldn't be buying a drink or something.
Yeah.
Recession is coming.
Instant
Get the hell out of here.
Yeah.
Take your money and get the hell out of here.
Yeah.
The company's leadership was looking to remove jobs that were added as it scaled up and that aren't involved in manufacturing. So when you're trying to scale so quickly, you might overhire and then make your adjustment, I guess. Sucks for those people, but Rivian has been making changes in an attempt to cut costs. Remember, they put the price up on the vehicles and then they walked it back. It's like, we're going to need to charge you more for these. And they're already expensive trucks to begin with. Yeah. We're going to have to charge you more than what you were originally on the pre-order. Can't do it. People freaked out and they're like, okay, yeah, we can do it. We're just going to have to fire 800 people, but we can do it. How many did they deliver? The company produced 2,553 vehicles, delivered 1,227, and still planning on having made 25,000 by the end of the year. Massive cash reserves. Company also lost an incredible amount of money last quarter, around 1.59 billies. But you got Bezos money. You got Bezos money. That's a different kind of money. Well, don't you worry.
Is there still Rivian stock with Amazon and Bezos?
What you talking about?
They're in it, right? Together.
In it to win it.
Okay.
Don't you
Just
worry.
checking.
Don't you worry about that. Big
Just,
Bezos.
Testing you.
You know Big Bezos. He put the cowboy hat on. He rides his Rivian on his way over to his rocket. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Takes his Rivian on his way to his yacht. Puts his hat on. Gets a pair of $800 swim trunks.
Dude, when you're that rich, you should wear a cowboy hat.
You should.
Yeah.
It's just part of it.
Any hat you want.
Elon's brother likes the hat as well.
Yes.
He's always got the hat.
Yeah. Not a top hat though.
No
That's
top.
a bit too much.
Cowboy. Still fun.
Yes.
The top hat is like
Wild.
you're some sort of tycoon.
Yes.
You might give people the wrong impression.
Uh huh.
You might be a tycoon.
Yeah, you don't want that.
Maybe you do.
So